Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, I'm going to be replacing the overflow tank radiator cap. We got this one from 1A Auto, and it looks exactly factory fit. It's even got the picture on it for a radiator. So as you can see, this one has some crusties around it, and that's coolant that's steaming out. So it's a good practice if you have never changed a cap. More than likely it needs to be changed. They lose their spring inside and the gasket gets mushed down. So when this thing reaches full temperature, it kind of steams out. You'll never see it physically. So we're going to install the new cap. Looks just like factory. I would have to say it's pretty close. Just make sure you screw it down. This will have an end to it. You can feel it just bottom right out. And you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.